Hey everyone, welcome to today's art video. Today I'm doing another Inktober drawing. I'm using the Botanical Witch prompt made by Jim. This one is the Eucalyptus Witch. So initially for today I did a fern witch that you can see here. If you didn't catch my last video, I explained that I accidentally deleted the video that I filmed for my last 3 art videos, which I had filmed in bulk this month to help ease my workload since the end of October gets a little bit hectic for me. But yeah, anyway, I deleted that footage on accident, thinking that I was only deleting the footage of the pieces I had already finished editing. So here I am now, doing more Inktobers, so that I can actually have a video for you guys. About this one, I thought I'd draw a witch making a wreath out of eucalyptus leaves. Specifically, silver dollar eucalyptus, because I think that variety is so dang cute. So with the first drawing that I did, that was supposed to go out today, I was actually quite unhappy with it. And really, I was pretty unhappy with the original for next week's as well. So the footage getting deleted and then me having to draw something else actually might be for the better. In the fern piece, I used a Copic brush pen instead of my usual Pentel brush pen, which worked a lot better with the Copic markers because it was actually compatible, which makes sense because it's a Copic pen. But the downside was that the black wasn't as rich as my Pentel brush pen is. I felt like it made the end result look kind of washed out, so I wasn't really happy with it. But yeah, so even though I had the option to use that pen for this one, because it was compatible, it wouldn't like make the ink smudge, I still stuck with the Pentel brush pen for these new drawings, just because I like how dark the ink is. But yeah, I gotta get back to editing all of my videos, so I'm just gonna let this one finish out with the music. So here it is. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please leave a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, all of that good stuff. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys a day early tomorrow to start Hollow Week. See you then. Bye!